In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Exness on mobile. We'll start by downloading the app onto your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store. Once you're there, tap the search bar at the top and type in Exness Trade. When the results appear, make sure you choose the official app published by Exness Global Limited. This is important because you always want to install the correct app from the verified publisher to avoid downloading anything unofficial. Next, tap Install. Your phone will automatically download the app and complete the setup for you. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few moments. Once installation is finished, open the app to get started. When the app launches, you'll have two options. You can tap register if you're creating a new profile or sign in if you already have an existing account. Choose the option that applies to you and continue into the app. After logging in, go to the deposit section. This is where you'll add funds to your account before placing trades. Inside the deposit area, you'll see a list of available regional payment methods. The options can vary depending on your location, so just choose the one that works best for you. Then enter the amount you want to deposit. In some cases, the minimum can be as low as $1, which can be helpful if you're just starting out and want to test the platform with a small amount first. Once you've entered the amount, confirm the deposit and wait for the transaction to complete. With your account funded, move to the Trade or Market tab to explore the available assets. This is where you can browse instruments and decide what you want to trade. Tap on any asset to open its details, view the real-time chart, and place either a buy or sell order based on your trading plan. Before you confirm a trade, make sure you set your stop loss and take profit levels. These tools help manage risk automatically by defining where your trade should close if the market moves against you or in your favor. Even on mobile, this is a very important part of staying disciplined. Once your trade is active, you can monitor it under the Portfolio or Trade tab. From there, you'll be able to review your open positions and make changes if needed. That's the basic process for using Exness on mobile, from installation all the way to placing and managing a trade.